News and Information Office of the Office of Civil Defense, or OCD, collaborated with some government media under the Presidential Communications Office, or PCO, to disseminate crucial information during disasters. OCD visited Philippine Information Agency, Philippine News Agency, Presidential Broadcast Service, and People's Television Network for their benchmarking. According to Diego Mariano, News and Information Office Chief, the initiative can help them when it comes to disaster management. Moreover, OCD will continue to focus on spreading important information on social media to reach those who need help and to combat the circulation of misinformation and disinformation online.
Para palakasin natin yung crisis communications ng NDRMC, no, at yung palakasin din natin yung disaster communications ng ating bansa. Isa na dito yung pagpapalakas or inaalam namin yung paraan ng pag-data gathering, yung totoong impormasyon galing sa ground or galing sa ating ahensya is may bibigay natin sa media at may di-disseminate na dito ng tama. Kumbaga, kung makukuha nyo ng yung totoo at tamang impormasyon galing sa credible na sources katulad ng OCD at NDRIMC, is may bibigay nyo rin yung tamang impormasyon sa ating mga kababayan.